Let me show you how I easily attach this camera to the tripod. Problem. Drift camera doesn't fit on my tripods. My tripods have this quick clamp system where these clamps fit onto. Solution: take one drift helmet mount, Dremel off those bits, sand it a bit. You have this clamp, and get some Sugru. Cut the sachet open and start molding the Sugru into a pyramid shape. Press the pyramid onto the other surface and just give it a squeeze, and then shape it with your fingers. And then comes the hardest part. You have to let it cure for 24 hours. And then after about 24 hours you have this. There's now a solid bond between the metal base there and the plastic holder. So pop it in, attach the clip to the tripod, and there we go. Camera is ready.